Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you 3 new call features in iOS 26, namely call screening, call reminders, and custom ringtones. With the call screening feature, you can now find out who's calling before you pick up. Let me show you how. First, you can go into your Settings app and then scroll right to the bottom to Apps, and then go to the Phone app and scroll down to the Screen Unknown Caller section. To screen an unknown number for more information, select Ask Reason for Calling. When you get a call from any unknown number, your iPhone will ask the caller their name and reason for calling. You will then be able to read a live transcript as the call continues. To send a call from an unknown caller directly to voicemail, select the Silence option. This feature is unfortunately only available in some regions. Okay, so you've just missed a call from someone but can't phone them back right now. Now you've got the option in iOS 26 to set a reminder on the missed call. You can go into your call app, and on the specific missed call you can swipe left and you'll see a reminder icon. You can click on it and you'll see the options to remind you later on. So the last new feature I would like to show you is how to set a custom ringtone on your iPhone. Okay, so first of all you need to go to the Files app, and then long press on the ringtone and tap on Share. Select the More and then Use as ringtone. Just note that the ringtone must be under 30 seconds long.